Okay, dear students, as we have discussed in a previous video, the structure of plant cell. Now we are going to start structure of an animal cell. But before proceeding to this part, let us discuss some questions which we have done the part earlier also. These are some questions you can see here. These are the questions based on our previous videos. Okay, so let us discuss, and which question I will speak, you may write answers in your notebooks. Okay, so first question, we do not feel or sense any pain when we clip our nails or cut our hair. हम कोई पेन क्यों नहीं फील करते जब हम अपने नेल्स को कट करते हैं या हेयर्स को कट करते हैं? बिकॉज दीज आर द डेड सेल्स. जो हमारे नेल्स और हेयर हैं, दीज आर द डेड सेल्स. Okay, these do not have any nerve cells, that is why we do not feel any kind of pain while cutting these. Clear? Because these are the dead cells, these do not having nerve cells. Next question, what is necessary for photosynthesis? What is necessary for photosynthesis? The answer will be chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Without this, the photosynthetic process will not be carried out. Next, which is the living substance in the cell? Living substance in the cell is called as protoplasm. It is called as protoplasm. Okay. Next question, unit of inheritance present on the chromosomes. Which is the unit which is present on the chromosomes? Which is जो किसकी यूनिट है? इनहेरिटेंस की. आंसर विल बी genes. I think you all have matched your answers of these 4 questions, the answers which you have done, and please tell me the answer of the marks on basis of these questions when you will just see in the comment box. Okay. Next question, which is the empty structure in the cytoplasm? Empty structure कौन सा होता है साइटोप्लाज्म में, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? आंसर विल बी vacuole. Vacuole is the empty structure in the cytoplasm, or you can say blank looking structure. A group of cells, what we call the group of cells? It is called as tissue. Group of cells is called as tissue. Next, green plastids. Green plastids are known as, these are known as chloroplast. Green plastids are known as chloroplast. Next question, what is formed by the collection of tissues? As there is the collection of cells, it will form tissues. If there is the collection of tissues, it will be form organ. These are the points which we have done in the starting of chapter. Next, it separates the contents of the cell from the surrounding medium. वो कौन सी लेयर है जो contents of the cell को separate करती है surrounding medium से? Answer of this will be membrane. Okay, membrane which separates the content of cell from the surrounding medium. Okay, once more, we do not sense any pain when we cut our nails or cut our hair because these are the dead cells, these do not have any nerve cells. Next, what is necessary for photosynthesis? Answer will be chlorophyll. Next question, the living substance in the cell. Answer will be protoplasm. Next, what is the unit of inheritance present on the chromosomes? Answer is genes. Next question, empty structure in the cytoplasm. Answer will be vacuole. A group of cells form tissue. Green plastids are known as chloroplast. Next, what is formed by the collection of tissues? Answer is organ. Next question, it separates the content of the cell from the surrounding medium. Answer will be membrane. These questions which we have discussed now here, these are given in your books as last question in the crossword form. You may fill all the answers there only. Okay, so here we are to discuss the structure of an animal cell. Okay, let us start the discussion of animal cell. Firstly, you may see the diagram is here of animal cell. Various components are written here of the animal cell. Firstly, we will discuss about as there is the cell membrane. We know that cell wall is not present in the animal cell. Cell wall किस में present होगी? It will be there only in the plant cells. Okay. Cytoplasm, we know what is cytoplasm. It is the fluid-like substance, jelly-like substance, जिसमें cell organelles suspended होंगी. Centrioles, what are centrioles? These are present 2 in number, generally in the animal cells only. Centrioles किस में होंगे? सेंट्रोसोम में. और सेंट्रोसोम किस में है? Generally in the animal cells only. Generally in animal cells. Okay. What are the function of these centrioles? They mostly help in the initiate and regulate cell division. Regulate cell division. This is the function of the centrioles. Okay. We can see near the nucleus. Here in the diagram, nucleus is present in the center comparatively to the plant cell. In the plant cell, it was there at the periphery, but in animal cell, it is there in the center. So vacuoles are there in this. We know in plant cell, it was 1 in number. In animal cell, these are few in number, but here these will be small in size. Size में कैसे होंगे? Small. So next is nuclear membrane. Membrane is present outside the nucleus. Why this membrane is required? Because if this membrane will be there, it will help in the exchange of the materials. Means as we know कि कौन सा material इसके लिए beneficial है, कौन सा harmful है. If it is beneficial, it will come in. If it is harmful, it will come out with the help of this membrane only. Next, these fibers you can see here, these are the chromatin fibers. When the cell is about to divide, the name is then chromosomes. Okay, chromosomes we can see only when the cell is about to divide. These are the small vacuoles. Lysosomes, we know lysosomes are present only in the animal cells. These will be not there in the plant cells. Next, these are the nuclear pore which help in the exchange of the materials. Nuclear pore के कारण ही exchange होगा materials का. This is a nucleus which is present inside the nucleus, nucleolus, small dense round body जो किसके अंदर present है? Chromatin fibers के अंदर, and it is there in the nucleus. Cell membrane we have discussed for the protection of the contents. Cytoplasm, it is the fluid-like or gel-like substance. Mitochondria, it was there in the plant cell also. It is present here also. It is mainly for the provide energy in the form of ATP. ER, it is for the passage of materials. Passage of materials. Type कितनी है? 2 types are there. SER and RER. RER mainly for the formation of the ribosomes are there. For protein it is for the fats and lipids. If it is their fats and lipids, when these will combine, protein, fats and lipids, they will build the cell wall, cell membrane, जिसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? membrane biogenesis. Ribosomes, as we know, these are the sites of the protein synthesis, means they will form protein there. Okay. Golgi apparatus, as we know, these are the lie parallel to each other in the stacks form. STACK stacks form means the group form. कैसे हैं? इनकी situation will be in the parallel form. These will be. और function क्या है? Store, package and modification. किस चीज में? जो भी सेल के अंदर प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्मेशन हुई है उसमें चेंज करना. ओके. So these are the components of the animal cell. Centrioles help in initiate and regulate cell division. Then there is nuclear membrane, which allows the passage of materials which should come in, which should go out. Next is small vacuole. Vacuole are there in few in number in animal cell. It is there for the storage of the water, mineral, nutrients, which is required for the activities of cell. Chromatin fibers, these are present inside the nucleus. Lysosomes, these are for the waste disposal of the cell, which are present only in the animal cells. Nucleolus, which is present inside the nucleus, small dense round body है. It is these are the nuclear pore. Nuclear pore means for the passage of materials. If it will be there, then passage is possible. किसकी हेल्प से? न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन की हेल्प से. देन देयर इज साइटोप्लाज्म, फ्लूइड लाइक सब्सटेंस है, जिसमें क्या होंगे? सेल ऑर्गेनली सस्पेंडेड है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज देयर, which is for the energy activation of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum for the passage of materials, जो भी materials का requirement है जहाँ भी, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग भी होगी, it will be sent by the ER. Ribosomes for the protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus for the store, package and modification of the products which are formed in the cells. So it is all about the animal cell. All are requested to go through this once carefully, listen it carefully, and the diagram should be drawn in the fair notebooks. Thank you everyone.